Grip feels secure. Okay, I'm drawing the boundary circle on the report now.
Look at the schematic for the flight controls. We might need to replace this entire module. That explains the power fluctuation readings we saw earlier.
This looks right for P1 and P2. Yeah, the thermal readings confirm it. Let's get this taped down before the wind picks up.
You must reinforce quadrants 1 and 2 before the tide turns. Acknowledged. Bringing the stabilization gear up now.
Mark that at 40 centimeters.
40 centimeters noted. Let's check the depth.
The resonance here suggests corrosion extends past area B.
The tester confirms depth is below tolerance. We'll need to patch this section. Look at that shine! We finally did it! Watch that pole, careful! All right, pull it left. Clear the area, coming through. Secure that brace on level 2. Copy that, moving up now. Cut is clear, engage the crane. Lifting now, watch the edges. All right, slowly down onto the platform. Easy, easy, set it down. All right, welding's finished on this section, looks good. Almost, apply more pressure with the bar. Hitting it again.
Apply the bead evenly.
Yeah, I'm smoothing it out now. Density reading here is low. Confirmed. Mark it for reinforcement.
Applying the yellow indicator now.
Torque wrench set to 50 foot-pounds.
Check the tension on number 3.
Looks good, moving to the next section.
Yeah, we're definitely going to need replacements for these relays. Okay, lower it gently into the frame.
It's seated.
Locking the clamps now. Pass me the connector cable. All right, secure the left side panel first. Copy that. Tightening the connections now.
At least the new window is clean. Right. Let's check the connections behind the main console. Almost free. Hold it steady while I get these last few connectors.
All right, passing you the cutters now.
Hello 1, Foxtrot Echo, ready for extraction.